Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In this blog we are learning all about food, the types of food. We learned the three types of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Next we learned healthy food and unhealthy food. We learned the difference between these two and which food is good for us. In today's class we'll be learning about food for different people. People eat different foods. We already know that we eat different types of food. Today we will try to explain why people of different age groups eat different kinds of food. Different age group people eat different foods. Keyword: injured when some body part is hurt. Injured when some body part is hurt. Now look at this picture. Yes, on the left side on the banana leaf you can see a large portion of rice, a chapati, a puri and many curries, dal, curd, everything. On the right hand side you can see a bowl of porridge. Now tell me children, look at this very carefully and tell me which food is for a baby and which is for a 20-year-old man. A 6-month-old baby and a 20-year-old man, which food? Very good, very good. The left hand picture, this is for the 20-year-old boy, whereas the right hand, the bowl of porridge is for a 6-year-old baby, right? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? Because small children, babies cannot digest hard food, so they eat porridge, whereas young people, 20-year-old people, they are more active, so they need more food. Now in your EVS notebook you draw a plate. In EVS notebook you draw one plate. Write 2 foods on which you will serve to an 80-year-old person. If you have to serve food for a 80-year-old person, what food items will you give that person? 2 items you draw in the plate. Open your EVS book and draw one big plate. In that you draw 2 food items. Either you can draw or you can paste pictures, that is your wish. What do this 80-year-old people eat? The 2 items you should draw in the plate. Next, let us watch this video. People eat different foods depending upon their age, right? Babies eat porridge and young people eat different types of food. They eat food from all the 3 groups. Because they are more active, they need to eat more. People who do more work should eat more, right? Elderly people, they eat food that can be digested easily, right? Let us watch it once again. People eat different types of food based on their ages. Young people, they work more and they are more active, so they need to eat more. And people who do lot of work, they also should eat more, because babies don't have teeth. They eat soft things or mashed food like porridge, etc., right? How is the food eaten by a baby different from that eaten by a young person? A baby eats soft food which can be digested easily, whereas young person eats larger portions of food and his food may be spicy, right? The food eaten by a baby is soft and very easy to digest. The food eaten by a young man includes food from all food groups. What does it mean? The young person will be eating energy giving food and bodybuilding food and protective food. So all 3 groups, from these 3 groups, the food will be eaten by young people. It is more in quantity and can be spicy. Why do people need to eat different kinds of food? People need to eat food according to their age and the work they do. Babies need to grow fast and to be protected from illnesses. So, they need more bodybuilding and protective foods, okay, because babies will be fast, the growth will be very fast in babies. They need bodybuilding food. But as they do not have teeth, they eat soft food. Very young babies drink only milk. Young people are active and can easily digest food, so they eat all types of food in large quantities. Old people are not very active. They need to eat more protective foods. They also need to eat easily digestible food. Why do sick people eat different food? Okay, when we fall sick, we eat totally different kind of food, right? Why? When people are sick, they eat easy to digest food. They should eat small portions at regular intervals so that they can digest the food easily. Okay, when we are sick, we eat such a type of food which can be easily digested. For example, bread and milk, or bread or coffee, or idlis, which are easy to digest, right? So, and when one is sick, they need to eat in small portions, okay, little quantity, but several times, so that it can get digested easily. Now all of you open your workbook 4.3. Everyone open your workbook 4.3. Put today's date. I'll read the question. Circle the food items that can be eaten by a 6-month-old baby. Okay, a 6-month-old baby. What kind of food can the baby eat? Porridge, soup, fried rice, pizza. Pizza they can't eat, 6 months old. Fried rice is too spicy, they can't eat it, too oily. Soup also they won't. Porridge is the right answer. So circle, put a circle around the first word porridge. Question 2. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using the words from the box. In the box there are 4 words given: mashed, more, strong, digest. Mashed, more, strong, digest. Mashed means it is made soft. More means more in quantity. Strong, digest. A1, a baby eats dash food because she does not have teeth to chew the food. Okay, a baby eats dash food because she does not have teeth to chew the food. Then it is mashed food. You can write MASHED. B1, very old people prefer eating food items that are not too oily or spicy because they cannot dash them. Okay, very old people, elderly people, because they are unable to digest spicy or food, oily food, they want to eat such a kind of food which can be digested. Okay, very old people prefer eating food items that are not too oily or spicy because they cannot dash them. In the dash you write digest, because they cannot digest them. digest. C1, young and active people need to eat dash food and from all food groups to be healthy. Okay, young and active people should eat more food. Okay, more food and from all groups and from all food groups they have to eat. Okay, young and active people need to eat more food and from all food groups to be strong and healthy, right? So next question. Sia has soup for dinner as she is sick. Sia is sick, so she is having soup for dinner. Why shouldn't she eat regular food? Okay, why shouldn't she eat rice or other food items? Okay, Sia is sick. When someone is sick, they can't digest the food properly. Okay, they can't digest the food they eat. That is the reason soup is given for people who are sick. Soup or porridge or mashed food. So you can write the same. Sia is not eating her regular food because she cannot digest it as she is sick. Okay. So read the lesson better. Food for different people from content book. All of you should read. Share one thing you already knew, one thing you learned, and one thing you still want to know from this lesson. Now open your content book. There are some practice questions. We'll do this. Practice questions. First one, underline the foods that a young boy should eat when he is sick. Okay, if a young boy is sick, what kind of food he can eat? Egg, boiled vegetables, curd rice, soup, French fries with cheesy dips. Okay, what kind of food can the young person eat when he is sick? Okay, you have to underline. Boiled vegetables, yes, you can underline. Soup they can have if they are sick, right? And curd rice also can be easily digested, so you can underline boiled vegetables, curd rice and soup. Okay, French fries, no, you won't underline because they contain lot of oil. It's not good. Second question, give reasons why. A, some old people eat soft and less oily food. What is the reason? Because they cannot digest food, because they cannot digest other food. Okay, what is the other food? Spicy food. They can't eat it. Oily, spicy food, they can't eat it, won't get digested for them. So, old people eat soft and less oily food in order to digest the food. Digest, D-I-G-E-S-T, digest the food. Next, B1, young people eat more. Young people eat more. What is the reason? Okay, I'll tell you the reason. Young people are more active, so they need more energies. That is the reason they eat more. Third question, Rohan is feeling very weak after being sick for a week. Rohan was sick for 1 week. Now he became very weak. Write 2 types of food he should eat to gain energy quickly. What kind of food they can have? You can give him bread. Okay, bread, milk, fruits. These help him. Okay, the bread and rice helped, what is his name, Rohan, to get active fast, get energy. In order to get energy, he can eat rice and bread, and in order to protect himself from diseases, he can also eat fruits and vegetables. Right, students? So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Complete your work.